Alright everybody, see if I can just knock out this last one out of the last 6 I got here and then be done spamming YouTube for a while here, a couple days anyway. Yeah, the last one of these I picked opened up really easily, so man, hand is like dead. I've been messing with locks off and on most of the day today. I only unlocked one car today and it was actually running, so I didn't have to mess with any locks with it. Yep, I don't even think one left holding it up here because I don't know if it qualifies as a false set or not, but definitely got some rotation out of it. And got an open on it. So let's see what this key looks like here. Alright, so this key is similar to the last one here. It's going to be 7, 8, like 6, 6, 8, I think. And I'll stick it in the video too, like I did on the last couple of videos here. Alright, so some real long key pins here. And I think it was pin number 4 was the last one, and I don't know if that's a spool or not. It could have just been hung up on a serration, maybe. I guess we're gonna find out here. So 1 we have spool. 2 we have a spool. 3 serrated. 4 spool. And 5 spools. We got 4 spools on this one and 1 serrated. Okay, so close up of these guys here, and then I'll post the I'll post what the bidding is on it here in the video. So I guess no one's standing here with me now, so I don't know why I'm saying I'll post it in the video, because you'll see it in the video. But anyway, that'll do it for now, and I guess we'll talk to everybody probably later next week here when I get some more of these in the mail.